Hi, welcome to this XFC system. So it's our flagship XFC OpenBox i3 in 1, and you experiment and see what you like, right? A desktop environment, an OpenBox environment, and then a tiling window manager, and then more things, 17 other desktops. Topic of the video is the fact that Variety at this point in time needs an update. So is the system up to date? Check. Yeah, all right. You can go in. Now it's up to date. Remember, I do skel. Why? It's an etc skel. Doesn't need to be there. It needs to be in my home directory. So the polybar configuration is now in my home directory. So now we're up to date. Agreed? It's coming from not testing. So that's okay. What this video is about is Variety, but it could be Discord, it could be any other package. The point is, at this particular moment in time, this happens. Preferences does not work. Variety is working. Let's try Alt-N. Nothing. So Alt-N is our keyboard shortcut. Next. Now I know the drill already. Variety has been with us for 4 years. Sometimes you need to close it, like I've done. 30 seconds it takes to close Variety. But like I said, it could be any other package out there. It really takes some time to kill it. And then Variety, boot up again, and you see the blinking, and then you go for next again. Okay, so Variety is working, right? Variety is working. Alt-N, it's great, it's working. But the preferences at this point in time is not working. And I have put a version online on our own ArcoLinux repository. So the video is basically go change your pacman.conf. That's what we're going to ask you if you want to stay rolling. Next ISO will be using a new pacman.conf. Well, what's new? You'll see. So sudo pacman -s variety. It's coming from community. And I would like to let it come from ArcoLinux, because we have the package 0.8.5, and that's fixed. In that particular package, and we've made a video about it, one of the last 1700 and something, there is an example how to build a package for yourself. But now we want to provide you the package in an easy way. I can't at this point in time, and there's a reason for it. Let's go, and now you follow with your own computer, etc pacman.conf. Open that up with Sublime Text. Pacman works from top to bottom. So when it finds something, then it stops. So Variety is in here, in line 78, 79, or it might be in extra, I don't know, right? But it's coming from ArcoLinux. These lines prevail. Whatever is down here is not used. So what we'll do in the next releases, we'll change the order. And we'll say, if ArcoLinux is not updating their packages, we will put it on our repo. So Control X, anything ArcoLinux related, we're gonna put it at the top, because it's working top to bottom. And when I do it like this, it'll find the Variety somewhere in our repo, and it'll stop. It will not look to the Variety coming from ArcoLinux. It will just stop. And Variety is today, in that case, it has been, let's have a look, it has been flagged out of date for a while now. We are having trouble with Discord. So 12.2, okay, it's only 3 days. I know I say in my videos, you have to be patient, like 2-3 days, and everything will be fixed. But this is already flagged out of date, yeah, for 3 days. So yes, be patient, right? But there is also another one, Discord at this point in time, that needs an update. And we are having these things, right? Arch Linux Discord. We have solutions for it, but at this point in time, flagged out of date, the 4th, and we're waiting. Now, in the meantime, I've already made videos about Discord. Just change your system to the other one, like sudo pacman -s. Discord is not working, fine. Just press tab, take the next one, Arch Electron. We've put it on our repo, it's coming from us. And that one will work. Because the AUR developer, the maintainer from AUR, made a new version, a version 13. That's fixed. We put it on our repo, everybody has it, everybody happy. Now that's changing application, so changing the name, one that does work. Variety is actually a package that's the same name that we just say, first check out ArcoLinux, then check out the rest. So let's save this and see what happens. Okay. Yeah, you can go as well. So remember, it's coming from community variety. Cool. Then we do this. No, we do this. Let's do an update first. And then you see the references. Then you see the references change. These are now at the top. So it's first gonna check our repos and then ArcoLinux repos. And I see some references here. I guess we need to update some numbers. That's cool. But the thing is, I got my variety in. That's the main thing. The main message of the video is, if I say yes, I've now a fixed variety. Of course, you know the drill. Buy, quit. Now it goes faster. Variety. And off we go. We have again our preferences because the new package is installed, the one from ArcoLinux. I'm looking for where I can see it and find it, but I don't see it at this point in time. But this is actually coming from us. And that's what I like you to do. So recapitulate everything that's at the bottom. Control Z, you can always go back, right? Control Z. So this was the original file. Take everything, Control X, move everything before testing and between this line, and this is where we'll put it in our next ISOs. This will be our new pacman.conf, and you can quickly change and you can stay rolling. And you have variety. That's the point, right? Anything that goes wrong on ArcoLinux, we put it on our ArcoLinux repos and the update comes in. That's the point. All right, cheers.